guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so happy that you are here with me, and today we are gonna make laundry detergent, something that I have never made before. I was watching YouTube and this video popped up to me, and it was this guy talking about how we're paying for water. Yes, those $25 huge buckets of laundry that lasts how many loads? I don't know, maybe 40 loads, 30 loads, I don't know. But we are paying for water. It's not lying. It's true. So I finished watching that video and another video popped up to me. And was this lady making her own laundry detergent. I decided to watch this video and copy her recipe. And today I'm going to be making our own laundry detergent. I'm going to put the link of her video here. She talks about more in details, but I'm just going to be making the recipe here. She uses exactly the same container, and this is a 2-gallon container. So we're gonna make 2-gallon laundry detergent. It's a lot. And she said it's super concentrated, so you don't need much in your loads. But since this one is so big, I don't think I want to keep this in my laundry counter. So I got another container. This one is a gallon. So after I finish making this one here, I'm gonna try and see if I can transfer some to this one here. See if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. I think it's going to be much easier for me to be using this smaller one here in my counter. So let's see. We're only gonna need 3 ingredients. The fourth is optional. First ingredient is super washing soda. It's not baking soda, guys. It's super washing soda. I paid, let me see, I have my notes here. I paid $5.38 in this box. Next ingredient is borax, and I paid $6.98. And the last one is salt bar. I got the pink one because the lady made with the pink one and was so pretty in pink. So I decided to get exactly the same one. But she said that you can use any salt bar. And we're gonna be using the entire one. This is a 14 ounces, 400 grams. And the option ingredient is essential oils. I already have the lavender one in my bathroom because I use all the time. I'm going to use this one here. She was using a linen one, which I think is perfect, but I didn't have any. So I'm going to use what I have. So I'm gonna grate this bar, and after we're gonna have to fill this entire container with water. She said you have to leave 1 inch space. Is it 1 inch? Let me see here. Yeah, she said to leave 1 inch of empty space at the top. And after we mix everything, it's going to be a thick consistency, like a thick gel consistency, and for me it's perfect. I think this is going to be really, really good, and we're gonna be saving a lot of money, guys. So let's start by grating the salt bar. Let me move this here, and I'm going to go and fill this up with hot water. This is something new for me. It's a different scent. Please forgive me if I'm doing something wrong. I thought it was to be much more difficult to grate this bar, but it's actually super soft. Already grated half of the bar. Guys, I really hope this recipe works because I don't want to be paying for water. I really don't. Bunch of chemicals that are super unnecessary, and yeah, I hope it works. We did it, guys. Look. This is so pretty. We already have it all grated. Now I'm going to put hot water in this container, and we're gonna mix with this until it dissolves. It looks so pretty. I'm going to clean this with alcohol just in case. I already washed this, but I don't know. Just an extra step, but it's fine. I am letting the water run for a while because I need a super hot water. And let me see if it's good. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, it's already hot. Okay guys, I have my water here. It started to dissolve, I guess. Now we just mix, mix, mix. So now I'm going to prepare the powder mix. So it's 2 cups of borax and 2 cups of super washing soda. One cup, 2 cups. Ooh. 2. I'm going to put my mix here. And I'm going to put my lavender oil right now. I think this is going to smell like the Lush Sleepy lotion. Let's see. Ooh, yes. It smells so good already. It's going to be like a gel. I'm going to put a little bit more. It's already getting super thick. Mine has little lumps, but she said it was fine. Laundry detergent is ready. I honestly think this was a success. I hope it's gonna clean my clothes and we're gonna stop paying so much for laundry detergent that is mostly water. Okay guys, I think that's it. I think this experiment here was a success. Now I'm going to keep you guys updated on how it's working in my loads because that's very important too, right? I'm going to clean this other one too because it's a little messy and I don't like to see this. It's going to bother me. So that's it guys. Just like that, we have laundry detergents. I hope this is gonna work for my family. I hope it's gonna get my laundry super clean and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, let me know if you're gonna try to make this batch at home. And please don't forget to subscribe guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Oh, it's too heavy. One at a time. And I came for the next one. Let's go guys, because I want to show you how I'm going to store. Are you guys not gonna come? Let's go. Okay guys, this is my setup here. Look how pretty. This is where I keep my laundry sheets, and I saw that this same guy that I watched the laundry detergent said that this is really bad for us. So I think I'm gonna change and keep using just the balls, and let's see how it's going to be. But one thing at a time guys, one thing at a time. I put this here for now, but I'm going to put on the top cabinet there because I'm not gonna be using all the time, and who knows how long this is gonna last. So definitely putting there. Or should I leave there guys? What do you think? I put this here to keep the little scoop. This is 1 tablespoon. That's what the lady uses. It's going to be super easy. I already have a load of laundry to do today, and I'm going to do this right now. This is going to be my first load. First time using our very own laundry detergent. I don't even want to move this. I put this here so I don't have to move anything. Guys, this is the easiest thing. Look at the consistency. I hope this works because it's a no-brainer. Look at this. I'm gonna put this here. Okay.